How to disable liked playlist notifications on Deezer mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to disable liked playlist notifications on Deezer mobile. First, then open Deezer and now click the settings icon here in the top corner, and here you will find notifications. Just click on it and that's it. Here you will find the playlists I like, and if you want to disable it now, just click on it, and now all you need to do is just wait 2 days and it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end and see you in the next video.